Today's video gonna show you how to add a new key for Volvo. The operation of add key and all key loss is basically the same. You can click help to check connection information. Remove the CM module of the vehicle. CM module is behind the co-pilot glove compartment. Check the required accessories. Install CM interface board. Align D1 to D4 test points. Lock the board with PCB lock. As long as these 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect OBP-ICP adapter and the CM interface board with A-pin cable. Then connect ACDP host and power up. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose VOLVO. Choose IMMO. Choose the option based on the model and the year of the vehicle. Choose S80 2009 to 2016. Choose Semi-keyless. Choose Read CM Passport. Choose Method 1 ICP mode. Connect CM module according to the props. Pin detection pass. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test points. Check the vehicle information. Please save the CM backup date. Please note that the file name contains the operation date. Read CM passport finish. Put the CM module back to the vehicle. Connect ACDP host with vehicle OBD port. Choose Add key. Press the Start button of the car. Make sure CM module is installed, then click OK. Please select CM passport date we saved in the previous step. Check the VIN number and the number of keys. Insert the new key into the car slot. Confirm the number of keys after adding new key. Add key successfully. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.